Hi everyone, welcome to Joseph Jeevan Design Studio. Today let me show you how you can use Napkin AI to instantly convert text into professional visual like flowcharts, diagrams and infographics without any design skills. Napkin AI is your browser-based tool that uses artificial intelligence to turn your ideas into visuals. Just type a sentence, hit the spark icon and it generates a flowchart or diagram right away. And the best part, it's a free while in beta. Here's how it works. Type your text, click the spark icon, Napkin creates a visual instantly. You can then customize color, shape, text and export it as PNG, PDF, SVG or PowerPoint. It's perfect for teachers creating visual lessons plans, project managers mapping workflows, marketer designing quick infographics, and content creator like us building visuals for social media or YouTube. Why try Napkin AI? Fast and easy, no design skill needed, real-time collaboration, 100% online. So, if you are looking for a quick way to bring your ideas to life, give Napkin AI a try at Napkin AO. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and share it with someone who loves productivity tools.